Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting assets and writing a razor-focused brief. Do this now so the AI has clear inputs. Upload 3 to 6 images or short 10 to 30-second clips, and write one sentence that states the product's promise followed by 2 specific benefits. Specify audience details, age range, location, and preferred platform, plus desired ad length like 6, 15, or 30 seconds. Once done, choose a tone and reference ads you like to set the creative direction. You now move into prompt engineering and assembly. Be specific about timing and style so the AI creates usable output. Write prompts that specify tone, camera moves, captions, exact CTA and scene durations. Request a script, storyboard frames, and multiple voice options in one generation. Then map visuals to beats. Sync images or clips to captions, and pick music with matching BPM. Make sure to preview captions for readability on mobile, and iterate on pacing until the scenes flow naturally. You finish by exporting, optimizing, and scheduling the ad. Create variations for 16, 9, 9 to 16, and 1 to cover each platform. Compress files without losing clarity, embed accurate subtitles, and confirm specs like bitrate and max file size. Schedule a /B test for different hooks, thumbnails, and CTAs, then monitor CTR, view-through rate, and ROAS. If performance stalls, return to the script and pacing. Adjust the first 3 seconds or swap the CTA. That fix usually restores lift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.